So this is what some people are calling the pumpkin show. Okay, where I got three different types of pumpkins going on here. Okay, first off, I have the fiery pumpkin. Okay, second off, I have the puking pumpkin. And then third, I got the squirting pumpkin because I can't think of a better name pumpkin. Maybe we can figure that out later on. So, what one of these do we want to see? Yell something out.
Puking.
Puking first. Interesting. Olive Core 1 wanted the other one, or the fiery one first. So the puking pumpkin is elephant's toothpaste and a pumpkin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make ourselves first. We got to make two concoctions, one with some yeast and the other with hydrogen peroxide. Okay, those are the two main ingredients that are doing stuff. First off, for the yeast, we're going to take 3 tablespoons of warm water. That is the warm water, okay, as with pretty much anything in chemistry, because energy comes from heat and all that, right? I have the fan on to get things warm. Okay, one, because it's cold outside, but also to add more violence, hopefully, to the reactions. That's also why the soda's in there for later. Okay, so there's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and 3. Now, since I don't want to take a wet thing and measure out a dry ingredient, okay, I'm going to take my teaspoon and get another tablespoon of yeast. There's 3 teaspoons and a tablespoon. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now the directions say, hey, you should wait 30 seconds. Well, we're going to take a little bit of time to make our hydrogen peroxide, so that should be plenty to get these yeasties, which are just single-celled organisms, waking up and starting to put off some gas, which is, anybody know what gas that they're putting off? Same stuff that you do. What do you take in action and you put out? Carbon dioxide.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna let those go. Now we need ourselves a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Anybody know the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide?
Nope.
Anybody know the hydrogen or the chemical formula for water?
H2O.
H2O. Hydrogen peroxide is H2O2,
Oh.
which means it has an extra oxygen in there. And that extra oxygen is what reacts with things, especially biologic things. That's why when you put it on a cut, little organisms don't like it. Okay? And it actually can be used in you. Okay? That if you need to make yourself vomit, if you digested something bad there, you can actually drink it. Don't suggest that. It does burn, like a mild burn. Okay? What else do we need in there? We need some
Dish soap.
soap. What's the soap gonna do? What does soap do in your sink?
Clean.
Cleans, but also bubbles. Okay, and we get a little bit of a leftover reaction. Probably should have used a clean cup there. And then we're gonna, since it's Halloween, we're gonna make this black. So we're gonna,
That's racist.
or gray. Okay. We're gonna put some food coloring in there, and we'll stir this guy up. I think our yeast has time to wake up right now.
It was asleep?
Okay. Yep, it was asleep. It literally was asleep.
Must have been tired.
I mean, it's not like it's a regular cycle. Put that right there. We'll get a base in there. We're gonna make the pumpkin feel a little bit more. Okay? So, here we go. Dump her in. Foams right up. Smells like bread. And then, and it's making all those soap bubbles and all that. Pretty cool. So, we we got the fiery pumpkin or the squirting pumpkin. What's next?
Squirting pumpkin.
Squirting pumpkin. Squirting pumpkin? Okay, fiery pumpkin. You guys want the finale, don't you? So,
Yeah.
squirting pumpkin. This is a take on. Have you seen Diet Coke and Mentos?
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
No.
Well, we're any soda.
It's so
We'll
disrespectful.
do this here. Okay. We're gonna take some Mentos and make it go off here.
Orange.
So, but I said this is gonna be a pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna make it look like a pumpkin.
Oh.
So let's
I know. Take it as
make it looking like a jack-o'-lantern type thing. No expense spared, right here.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, it's puking.
Oh.
Oh, look at that thing go.
That is big tongue.
Oh gosh, that's like if its tongue was melted.
We should have put devil's toothpaste in there.
Oh yeah. Wait, is that
should've.
elephant toothpaste?
Yeah.
That
Okay.
would've been cool.
There's our jack-o'-lantern. Okay. So,
Warm out here.
I made myself this special nozzle here. Okay, works pretty good. It's got a slit in here, so it hopefully fans out. Okay. What I gotta do is I gotta load this with 5
Oh, yeah.
Mentoses.
Okay.
Mentos I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then I made this special system right here. And maybe can you guys back up a little bit? Like take about 5 steps back. Okay.
Oh my god. This is gonna get
Now,
Tell me how it tastes.
okay. I didn't follow this thing.
Ready to run.
I'll take some duct tape.
Just shove straight right in. You're gonna
Green duct tape. So it kind of makes it as part of the stem. Take it out.
pumpkin steak.
That pumpkin had a really late night.
Oh no.
Oh.
Yo, calm down.
You guys said 10 feet.
Might be wet.
Yo, back up.
Yo,
I don't want to get wet. Oh no.
Yo.
Oh, that's kind of sad. I thought I could
Is that the second one? There's room in there.
It explodes.
Okay.
That's a waste of soda.
Okay.
Gabe, you see the bottom to this?
Squirting pumpkin. That brings us to the finale, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Keep moving back further, actually.
Oh, hard.
Okay. Move all the way back to the heels to the road, I guess. Okay. Like not actually in the road or in the puddle. So, right there. So this right here, okay, looks like a little pumpkin pie. This is actually from the original King of Random, okay, about 4 or 5 years ago. He put on his channel a pumpkin pie around Thanksgiving, but it wasn't quite that. It had a fuse sticking out. This is that same recipe. What's in it is sugar and stump remover. Okay, the two combined make rocket fuel. What I did was I caramelize it like we did sugar on Monday, and now we're gonna light it off with this camping match, this all-weather match that acts like a fuse.
Things are gonna go boom.
Then we'll take more camping matches, and you'll see how these are much stronger than regular matches.
It's cold.
Okay? They'll even go in the wind.
Now watch out, Gabe.
Run! Oh my god.
so good.
Yeah! Subscribe!
Stop game.